Hello! In this little video I would like to teach you the E minor scale, the one you need for the ABRSM Grade 1 violin exam. So, E tells us that we start on a note E. Minor is something new. Up till now you only learned major scales with me. So, let's listen to it and maybe your ear can detect the main difference. So, could you hear that this sounded a little bit more sad in comparison to, for example, our D major scale? Rather than that is the speciality of a minor scale. So let's explore how you need to play it on the violin. You start on your first finger E, first finger on D string. Then F sharp, G, open A, and then on A string we need B and C and D. Now you could use the open string for the top note, but it will sound much better if you use actually your fourth finger E and then all the way down again. So let's look at it once more. This time I would like you to pay special attention to the second fingers. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. Could you see that they change pattern? So whilst here you have a high second finger, so from first finger to second finger a tone, and then a semitone to the third. On the A string you have first finger and then a low second finger, so a semitone between 1 and 2, and then a tone between 2 and 3. And that is one of the very special things you have to memorize and practice, that it comes out right. Let's start practicing it together. We shall separate it into practicing the notes on D string first. So we start with E, F sharp, G and open A. And as usual we play the scale with long tonics. So our first note E will be 2 beats and then 1 beat each. So first I demonstrate. E, F sharp, G, A. Okay, practice with me. First note E, 3, 4. Now high second finger. And once more. E, F sharp, G, A. Once more by yourself. E, F sharp, G, A. And one last time, really watch my fingers. E, F sharp, G, A. And one last time together. 3, 4. E, F sharp, G, A. Now let's move on to A string. So, let's first explore the notes. If you look at my fingers, we have our B first finger, then semitone C second finger, and D and fourth finger E. You could play the open string also, but the fourth finger will sound a lot prettier. So practice with me B, C, D, E. We're starting from the B, semitone, tone, tone. Let's play this. And practice together with me, starting on the B, 3, 4. B, C, D, E, or semitone, tone, tone. And practice by yourself, I show you the fingers. 3, 4. B, C, D, E. Now you can practice this a few times and then play together with me again one last time. 3, 4. Excellent. And now I think you're ready that we can put together both parts. So we start on our bottom note E and review once more. E, F sharp high second finger, G, open A, B, low second finger C, D, E. And let's practice upwards together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now you may want to practice a few times by yourself before joining in, practicing the whole scale now up and down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. High second finger, low second finger, and downwards. High second finger. And practice once by yourself. I show the fingers whilst you play it. 3, 4. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, downwards, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E. Excellent. Now I think you're rock solid with your scale. Let's practice it one more time before we move on to the arpeggio. And I tell you something you can already prepare. Figure out the first and the third and the fifth note whilst you play, so it's much easier when we move on afterwards. Okay, this is our last E minor scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's move on to the arpeggio. And as I mentioned before, first note, third note and fifth note of the scale are our main notes of the arpeggio, and then we just need to add the top note. So we have E, G, B, E, and going down again B, G, E. Practice with me. E, G, B, E, and downwards B, G, E. Let's go, nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3. And learn your notes. E, G, B, top E, B, G, E. And also memorize your fingers. D1, 3, A1, A4, A1, D3, D1. Excellent. Now again, it's worth just to have a little look at your bowing quality. So make sure you hold your bow nicely, you play on a nice contact point, good bow angle, good bowing direction, and then play with a nice energy in your bow, little bit of weight on your string and enough bow speed. Let's go together and really listen and feel your right hand and right arm. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now I would recommend you practice for a few days like this, and then come back and play the last version with me fast. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And you're all settled and ready for your ABRSM exam to perform your E minor scale.